I'm Jina with Poppie Cotton, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these bow scrunchies. The first thing you want to do is cut a piece of fabric that is 5 inches by 22 inches. That's just one piece. And then we'll have a template which you can download. We'll have a pattern for that. And you'll cut 2 templates these are on the fold. So, and also a piece of 8-inch, 1/4-inch elastic. So you'll take your 2 templates on your bow, and with right sides together, you're going to sew all the way around. And once you've stitched all the way around, leaving a 1-inch opening right in the middle here, and then what you'll want to do is trim off your corners so that you don't have that excess fabric. And then you'll turn this right side out. I like using this clover turner. It's really quick and easy. And you'll start turning this whole bow inside out so that you'll get this. And you'll press it, and then you'll top stitch all the way around this edge, and that will be your bow. Then you'll take your tube here, or your 5-inch by 22-inch, and you're going to put right sides together. You're going to fold over one edge about 1/2 inch. Right sides are together, and you're going to sew down the long edge so that you'll have this tube. And again, I just like to quickly push all of this through and turn it right side out like this, so that you end up with a piece that is like this. And I don't press it at this point because I like to keep it so that you really can't see any press marks on that. Then you'll take and you'll put your safety pin. I do this with it, and then hold it like this. Put it through the folded end of your tube, and you'll just take that down, and I take the end and I pin it like this. And so I'll continue going through to the end of my 22-inch long tube here. I'll pull it all the way out, and I take the other end here. I don't worry about my elastic too much because it's turning inside, and that's fine. I'll overlap the 2 elastic pieces about 1/2 inch. I'll pin those. I'll zigzag across here, and then once I'm done with that, I'll put my raw edge inside my folded edge, and I'll take and I'm going to zigzag across this edge, which will give me this. And that's my finished tube. And then I take my bow. I have this edge, and I take this, and I'm going to take a knot, and I'm going to tie it just like that. And that's your bow scrunchie.